You know, the way meditation works is pretty simple in the beginning. Just do it, do the best you can, and don't be attached to the results that are immediately happening in meditation. I don't care how much your mind wanders. I don't care how fidgety you are. Just do the best you can and leave it and walk away from it every day and know that you did your very best and that it's all okay, all right? And by doing that, you're going to be developing perseverance. If you don't already have it, you're going to develop perseverance. You're going to develop non-attachment, and you're going to develop self-acceptance. These things are key to spiritual health, emotional health, psychological well-being, okay? That's just the beginning, though. The other thing that will happen is that you'll learn how to concentrate, you'll learn how to focus your mind, and this is going to apply also, obviously, in your everyday life. These things do take time, and so don't expect it all to happen right now. But the other thing that can happen and will happen for you if you persevere, if you continue with meditation, and if you're working with proven techniques like these, is that you can experience yourself, you can experience life in a way that no one can teach you and no book can prove to you and nobody else will be able to understand. But you can touch a place within yourself that's just so sweet and it's so real and it's always there, it's permanently there, and you can learn to access inner peace, expansive calmness, and the deepest bliss that deeper than you can imagine, deeper than you can have in any normal, any human experience. There's a place in yourself that's just so sweet and so real, and the thing is, it's not a little place. The deeper you go into yourself, the more expansive and the more vast your peace and your joy become. Meditation is awesome, but you've got to give it a chance. And when you have that experience, just of the quiet, of the real quiet inside of you, it will empower you in everything you do, because that experience will never leave you. Okay? So just go one step at a time, do the best you can, have fun, but don't give up and just trust that it's working. Okay?